My dear brothers and sisters in Christ Jesus, we are privileged to be part of the shrine of Don Bosco. This shrine has been existing for the past 56 years. Therefore, we thought of renovating this church to make it more beautiful, attractive for the people to come and pray. We wanted to make this church a place where people feel the vibration, the presence of God. I wanted this place to be a place where people feel drawn to God, that they should feel welcomed and feel like praying. To create a prayerful atmosphere, we have taken up this process of renovation. The renovation process started on 30th of June 2021, and after almost 7 months, we have come to the end of this process of renovation. God has been so good, guiding us all through these months, even though we are experiencing this pandemic. But people have been so good, so cooperative, so generous, sacrificing. Our own parishioners, people of goodwill of other parishes and other places, they have come forward to offer their contributions generously, because of which we have been able to go through these 7 months without much difficulty. As Don Bosco always trusted in the divine providence, I too felt the hand of God during these months. God has been really been so good. Let us feel grateful to God for guiding us through this process of renovation. The church has been so beautifully renovated with the images of Abba Father and Divine Mercy, which have been given very prominent place on the sanctuary, with the statues of Mary Helper Christians and St. John Bosco, and below the altar we have the urn of Don Bosco. All these things make the church so prayerful and so divine. And so, dear friends, come to experience the prayerful atmosphere of our shrine. I hope it will draw many pilgrims, so that this shrine really attracts so many people, invites so many people to pray and experience the divine and the powerful intercession of Saint John Bosco. We have the blessing of the renovated church on 20th January, Thursday at 6 p.m. And therefore, this is a very happy moment for all of us, where we feel so happy, so joyful, so grateful to God for giving us this church, this wonderful place. So, dear friends, I invite all of you wholeheartedly to come and participate in this holy event on 20th of January. Keeping in mind the pandemic situation in which we are living, the safety of everyone is very important, and therefore, if you feel okay to come and participate in this event, you are most welcome to participate. Otherwise, you can also see it on the live telecast that is being done that day. Even otherwise, other days you can come and visit and pray in this church. So keep in mind the SOP that is given by the government and follow all the procedures, so that your safety and the safety of others are ensured. Once again, I thank everyone wholeheartedly for your cooperation and welcome every one of you to participate in this holy event. May God bless all of you. May our Father St. John Bosco continue to intercede for every one of you and your families.